Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and handy recipe of hummus. Let's begin with the ingredients. I have taken around 1.5 cup of boiled chickpeas. I have removed the shell over the chickpeas. Okay. I have taken around 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half cup of tahini, 1 lemon juice, and I'll be taking around 2 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your requirement. I'll be taking around 1/4 cup of olive oil. One very important thing in order to make hummus is you should have a very nice grinder chopper available with you, because without this you will not be able to make it. Okay, so add all your chickpeas inside the chopper. Add chickpeas and garlic. Now I will give a pulse to this. Once it's all mushy, then I'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to give pulse to the chickpeas and the garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half cup tahini, olive oil, salt, 1 lemon juice, some ice. Keep scraping it from the side. Hummus is ready. I will dish it out and share with you the pictures. Do try it and let me know your feedback.